Hello, today we will be folding this lovely bird out of origami. You'll want to start out with a 7" by 7" paper, something around that. And first you want to put it on the colored side down, or white side facing up, like a diamond. Corner to corner. Fold a line down the middle. Should look like this. Take each edge and fold it to the middle, just like this. This is called a kite base. Next, flip it over, and you want to fold this top triangle down. So just take it and kind of line it up with these corners here, and also line up with the middle and fold it. And so on the other side, it'll just be this corner folded backwards. Cool. Now that you have this, you want to fold this top edge to this middle edge, kind of like before, like this. And the same with the other side. And if you would like to, along this edge right here, so not this one, but the second edge that lines up with the corner, you want to fold a little bit, only until the middle. So if I look at it by unfolding, I'm only making a fold, a crease, until that middle line. You don't want to go all the way. Do the same with the other side. And then you will have this kind of pattern. Now, open up these two flaps, so flatten it out like this, and you want to fold this corner down over here. And so how we'll do that is we'll pick up this flap, so putting my finger in here, and along this edge, I want to flatten it, while at the same time bringing this corner to that folded middle point. So again, this corner goes down here, and this corner goes to the middle. And if we do that, that corner that was once on the inside here has been extended outside like this. And so same with the other side. Open this up, fold this corner here and this corner here. Great. Now we want to fold this edge right here and align it with this crease that we just made, this crease. And it'll be like this. Great. And the same on the other side. And if we fold this in half, we've almost got our bird. And so you want to fold this part down, make sure that you like the shape of your bird's head when you fold that. And once you've made a good crease, you can crease it with a ruler or your finger. Good crease. You want to unfold that and kind of hold it out like this. So you want to push this corner inside like this, pushing it inside. And so when you flatten it again, it comes out from the inside on both sides. Great. And you want to do the same thing with the tail. So it'll look kind of similar. You fold it first, make a good crease, and then you want to open it again. But this time, instead of pushing it inside, we'll pull it outside. And if we do that right, once we flatten it, we've got a tail. You take a marker of your choice, draw in that eye, and then you have your bird.